Okay, my name Natari Koki, aka Glittering Star Gunners Chick. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Nigerian, and I support Arsenal Football Club. The way I take become Arsenal fan through my dad. Although yes, my dad actually contributed to it. And as kids growing up now, when we this small, when this DSTV first come at that time, people they really like football. My dad was one of them. You can't go buy DSTV, and that process now, you can't they watch. You understand? They watch football. We as kids now go come waka, come go meet and that day. See, there is a program or want to see social program. Only the eye will then go look you. Nobody go give you. If nobody they even pinch you, they make you sit down there. They watch anything where you see. Here you get. So my dad was one of them, and then the person way go make me and my siblings come become Arsenal fans, especially me and other ones. Was a friend of ours, a family friend. He lived close by. As a morning break. Na Arsenal, afternoon Arsenal, days and brush it, days and sleep, days and wake up, they rest as kids then. So we kind of like fell in love with the way they carry out the club and all of that. So as kids we come they watch. Before me, I call it saying that Liverpool be Arsenal say because I don't know which one be which one as I then they get. So I come they watch. From there the love and likeness started growing, and that's just it. Okay, let's see. I cannot mention any other person if Henry is not in that in this list. You get, I think Thierry Henry, yeah, Igwe. I came to watch him. I think it was during his possession, his time. We kind of like started seeing Arsenal games and all of that. So I would say Thierry Henry, yes. The way he plays, in fact, he's this type that unlike any other what will I say, striker you get. Thierry Henry was this type that is hungry, he's always there to deliver. Now maybe they call him Igwe of Arsenal. So all those things put together with his style, what he brings to the game and everything joined together gave me that love for him. So I think Thierry Henry is my number one, and the likes of Ozil. I watched Ozil when he was, I think would I say teenage, while they Germany won their World Cup. I saw him and the likes of what's this guy from Denmark, Eriksen. Yes, Eriksen. Him and what do they call him? Ozil. In that particular tournament, they caught my attention. I was like even praying that Arsenal will go for them, especially Ozil, because of the way they play, the skills and everything they possess. They play alike, and they were very young then. So Ozil, I loved him even before he came to Arsenal. You get. So when Real Madrid go collect, I'm like, no problem, Mr. We still at least Real Madrid see my people. So when I say Ozil, my number two in Arsenal. Then when it comes to the third person, I'll say Santi Cazorla. You can't take that away from me. Cazorla is phenomenal. He is good in and out. His skills, in fact, the guy is too much. In everything about Cazorla is just top notch. So if I'm to mention, I have Ozil, Thierry Henry, and Santi Cazorla. Those are my three top Arsenal players of all time. Cannot be any other person. Is not La Professor, the magician, Arsene Wenger. The respect, the disciplinary attitude he brings to the game. I don't know if you noticed that when Wenger was in Arsenal, it was very hard for you to see any Arsenal player, misbehave. Even if they do, the way he calls them back, as in he's a father figure to these kids as are then. So Arsene Wenger will always be, now, tomorrow, forever. La Professor is always going to be my, top-notch ever Arsenal coach. Well, improvement. There are a lot of loopholes in Arsenal, but we cannot achieve everything at a go. So we will start from one spot to another. That's a step. Before you get to the top of a ladder, you must take a step. You get. So for now, I would say the team is, going on fine. Arteta is trying his best. Yes, we've given him that chance and opportunity to, showcase his coaching skills and all of that. But yet, we still need more. We need more to this Arsenal side. Just like what he is doing now. Look at how the team is now. We want players that are skilled. Players who have that hunger in them. We go fit come deliver things for us. See, all these other players with the other club, then get that hungriness. So I would want us to improve in that aspect. We will get players we carry the club for mind. Say yes, when we come, so we want to deliver. They get that mindset and a winning mentality. I need them to improve on the kind of players they get. Need people that are strong, stamina field. Not every time you bring. Right from the time I started watching Arsenal game, we have the likes of people who are okay too, but they need people like mostly like Canona when in the Arsenal, to get that strength you get. But if you watch that in skillful ability and the rest of that, it's meshed up with everything with the likes of other players. I want us to improve very well in that aspect. If we can get all of these things right, I tell you, Arsenal will go far in all tournaments, not just the EPL or Carabao Cup or any other tournaments, especially the UEFA Champions League. We need to, that one especially, we need to. For me, if I'm going for that UEFA Champions League, Arsenal need to improve so that they could clinch that particular tournament. Yeah, $10,000. Even if you convert them to Nigerian money, you reach 1 billion naira. I no take. See this Arsenal here. This Arsenal, this cloth where I wear like this jersey. Forget it. You can't take it away from me. No matter what, you can't take it away. Not with any amount though. If you like buy me a house, if you like tell me say you want carry me go Jandon, forget it. I'm an Arsenal fan in and out, red blooded. Nothing commots. Nothing. We died there. We live there. We shop there. Anything we want to there we do and we no comot. If they like, make them go relegation, we still stay with them. Nothing can make me leave Arsenal. Arsenal is my life. They are my loves. So I can never abandon them for any cause or any reason. Nothing. This one hard though. You understand? He had. Yes, we did top 4 now, but say whether we go remain there till the season end. Now be the question now. And not that I don't believe in them. You get? I do, but we have to be realistic when it comes to how well we can perform. We have the likes of other big games to play. Like if you watch very well in our next matches, we have likes of Liverpool, Man City, and the rest of them. And these people are people that are moving things in the EPL. So I wouldn't say Arsenal have the chance of sitting at that spot till the end of the season. But at the end of the season, if they do, wow, why not? I'll be happy for them. But me seeing them sitting there, I doubt if they can. But I believe we'll make top 10. That would be Santi Cazorla. Yes, I'll bring back Santi Cazorla because he adds this, nice way of, synchronizing the game, changing the tempo. When he's in the pitch, you don't have, in fact, there's no one you want to watch if it's not him. The way he enters and come out of players and all of players and from other players' legs, it's phenomenal. I told you the guy is phenomenal as one of my best ever Arsenal players. And I think he has a way of changing games whenever he's in, the pitch. He has that ability to change games. And from the little I watched from him, Santi Cazorla has all it takes, to drive in midfield and get any result at all you want. So yes, I'll bring Santi Cazorla like what we're facing now. I think if Santi Cazorla should be in that midfield position, like where Odegaard is playing, if he should be there to controlling all of those passes and all of that, man, Arsenal will do well. Arsenal will do it. People who are there to finish when it passes for you, able to finish it. You get, we'll do well. So Santi Cazorla will be my pick for that. Arsenal fans, I love you so much. I know you all love the club. These are trying times, we all know, yeah, for sure. And one thing I love about Arsenal fans is that they don't give up. They don't give up. And that's why I am proud to be an Arsenal fan. I know how many Arsenal fans I've met, how they've impacted my life in so many ways. In so many ways. So I'll advise us to just keep calm, trust the process. Definitely we'll get there. It's just step by step. We'll definitely get there. Yes, things are hard now. We need a coach who is more experienced. Of course, we all know that. But let's just give Arteta a little more chance and see how things turns up for him. I believe by the end of the season we will know better. So let's just keep supporting Arsenal, keep loving the club, and do the little we can as a fan. Yeah.